Beach volley je postala nekakva strast i to je jednostavno puno više od sporta. To je način života.
We're just grateful that they put the tournament on, that we can come play.
We are excited to play in this tournament and especially got the third place.
Mislim da je jako lijepo organizirano, event je super popraćen i medijski. Sviđa mi se što su tribine bile pune cijelo vrijeme.
I'm from Germany, so we have some indoor facilities as well. But this one is really very special to me. It's just perfect, having an international beach volleyball tournament. That's also what the players told me, so it's really very nice.
I like this tournament. It's really good. It's good organization.
We are very happy that we make it to the final and win the gold. This was perfect for us.